What's going on, everybody? So before we do the unboxing, I do want to mention a couple of things. So I know I haven't posted a video in about a week and whatnot. The reason why is because I wanted to focus on myself and focus on my ideas that I have for the bigger picture. And the bigger picture is me creating better content, right? Um, as the journey goes on, I want to get better and better, especially as my trips are starting to come up. Um, the second one of this year is coming up, and I felt like Los Angeles wasn't the best quality, but I just wanted to say that as we get closer, I will mention where I'm going, and I'll bring y'all into the journey with me, especially for upcoming trips, which I do want to mention in this video. Next Friday, your boy is leaving the country. And if I leave the country, you already know why. There's a special event coming up. Your boy's birthday, April 4th, is coming up. So stay tuned for that. It's the only reason why I took a couple of days off, just because I needed to focus on myself and actually get my ideas together. And other great news, I finally got my package from the post office after 30 days. Finally. Got some sticker, another Supreme sticker. Whatever. That's it. Anyways, Supreme bag, whatever. Let's get to the box. Bam. Alright guys, so before I open the box, you probably already guessed what's inside here. I do want to mention it's true what they say about third time is a charm. The first release that they had, I took a complete L. A lot of people did and whatnot, whatever. The second time was a Black Friday deal at a consignment shop, which was Flight Club. I had a size 8 that I won, but unfortunately, there was some miscommunication and whatnot, so I took a second L on that one. Last week, Yeezy Supply dropped them a couple of times. I do want to mention I took like about 8 different L's just to get this pair. I kept on clicking and clicking and clicking and clicking. I didn't want to give up. You know, this was a pair of sneakers that I actually wanted. The style of the sneaker is something different and it's clean. Like, let me just show you. Let me show you. These are fire. Yo, these are so dope. Man. In person, they look so amazing. You know what I love about these right now? Is this orange right here. It's like a neon orange. I wonder if these have 3M effects. Let's check. Hello? Adidas? Oh, thank you very much. I really appreciate these 700s. I love them. Yeah. You already know. Escobar Junior season. All year long.